Alright guys, I wanted to just make a quick video on the Ryobi 4-inch handheld tile saw. Just went and picked me up one today. Have a job to take care of. Sadly, I got to replace some tiles. Don't have any matching color, but I'm gonna need this saw as I make a couple cuts around this drain here. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. But for $91 plus tax, we ended up getting this saw, the bit, the water hookup, which hooks right up to a faucet. So I mean, for the most part, you're getting a pretty good deal for 91 bucks. I'll show you guys the saw. There it is. That's all you need to get your job done, guys. You don't need to carry around anything bulky. Sets your adjustments, your height. Pretty much has a good setup here. All right, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna set this machine up and see if I can show you guys one of the cuts once I get this thing hooked up. All right, guys, with it already plugged up. Go ahead and make our first cut. Try to lock this thing down.